Hey everybody, welcome back. Yeah, so it's just one day later than the day before. Because I'm trying to get all this, I gotta get my videos done. I'm just way out there. So anyways, yes, my hair is a total wreck. Actually, I have a pair of shoes on that are killing my feet already. If your shoes are killing your feet before you ever go anywhere in them, take them off. They're not gonna get better. Okay, I'm sorry. I have a shit ton of stuff here, and first thing we're gonna do is I'm going to try once again, I'm sure unsuccessfully, to use this wonderful hair product, hair tool. You know, I've spent a lot of money on hair tools recently, and here's what I'll say about that. My hot tools that my sister-in-law gave me from Ulta, I miss so much because it's one of the best things I've ever had. Okay, so what we're gonna do, sorry, I'm moving you. Just come on, Susan, just throw the shit on the floor. You know that's what works best. That's what works best around here, throwing things on the floor. Okay, so here is my TYME, like, not straightener, I don't know what you want to call it, curler, not really, flat iron, no. I don't know what the hell to call it. But what I do know is that I really want to show you guys how to use it. And we're going to really try and do that today. And just, you know, see where we go from here. I'm learning myself. I am the problem. But, you know, we're going to figure it out. And today, we may dye our hair. I may just get a hair on my butt and dye my hair. So, I'm just going to brush it out before I spray it with some dry shampoo because, let me tell you something. This Dove dry shampoo is the best. Like, not heavy. Doesn't leave your hair feeling a little. But because yesterday I did my hair and I used my Curlsmith, and this, you know, you just, if you curl it after that, it just doesn't look great. Just doesn't look great. Well, we're waiting for that to kind of sink in. We're going to put some moisturizer on our face. And we're going to use my Good Jeans moisturizer. Good Jeans. Because after this, I'm going to film a video. Make a video. My hair looks gray. It looks gray. Right, Betsy? Does Mama have gray hair? Not really. Not really, Mama. Not really. Betsy, is your mama beautiful? I know she is. Torturing my dog. Okay. So, I am going to try and do a little bit of something different. Maybe it'll help, because I don't really do this meticulously, but apparently most people do. I guess that's because they want their hair to look right all day long. I, on the other hand, not so concerned about it. So, we're going to start with the bottom here. Now, the way this thing works, I don't know if you can see it. It's got like that little lippy thing. That lippy thing? No, Susan. So, see how it curled? It's amazing what it does when you pick little pieces of hair. So, lippy thing goes towards your scalp. So depending on which direction you want the curls to go, and use the kind of, most of these girls like put them in pins and shit, and I'm like, I guess it's because they don't have curls. I have curls. God bless me with curls. So I'm kind of fortunate. I don't really care how precise they are. It's not my goal. It's like a more messy curl. My goal. Okay. So because I am doing something towards the back here, I'm going to have to hold it differently. See, I'm going to go this way just so that that little kink crink is in the right spot. Grab a hold of this piece. Do the same thing. Okay. All right, dudes and dudettes. I am going to now focus on just a few more pieces. See how I'm trying to be so professional about this? Now, not really. Should have my little comb. All right, so we're gonna take this little piece right here and we're gonna curl it to the back. To the back and side. Now you're not supposed to hold it super tight. That's one of the things they tell you, don't like, but just, you know, me, I'm not good at that. I just continue to clamp things like a child that's gonna lose her toy. So if you don't, see, for me, see how it's just straightened? Some pieces, I don't know why, I'm sure it's what I'm doing, they like straighten instead of curl. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense now, does it? All right, we're gonna take this piece here. It seems like a big piece, because it is. And we're gonna just kind of freak it out. Now, we're getting close. We're getting to the end. To the end, to the end. Now you may ask, if I'm doing all this work to my house, what on God's green earth am I getting ready for? Well, can't seem to find my insulin. So I'm going to go ahead and spray a little texture spray on this head. That's a little. And we're going to let it set. So I will be back in a few minutes and we will fix up this hair. Somewhere around here we have a little teasing brush we're going to use. But I will be right. All right. Yeah, let's get this hair situated. What do you guys think? So I took a break and put some makeup on, but now we're just kind of running our fingers through our hair. So a couple of products that I use, just like as a mud, and people hate it, right? They're like, oh, you got all this glue shit in your hair. Like, you don't know my hair. I know my hair. I know what I need. So, sip it. So this is one of them. And when I buy these things, they last forever because you only use a little bit. So this is my Kenra. It is practically empty. And it's been like practically empty for 2 weeks. And I've been just going off of this. The other one I use, I don't have any with me. I need to get a bottle actually. Is a, it's a Revlon product. Revlon? I think it's Revlon product. And it comes in a tube and you kind of rub it against your hands. It's real thick. And then like let it pat dry in your hands a little bit and it turns like powdery. So it's not this glob in your hair. So, like I said, really little bit, like that. That's it. Still have some. It's amazing. I've had this stuff for like over a year. Well over a year. And what I do then is I just kind of put it on my fingertips and I start to just kind of, you know, piece it, piecey, make it piecey. And yeah, it'll kind of just, it gets in place. It does its thing. You know, it's not always the same. I don't want it to be the same every day. I want it to be different and wild and out there. So, all right. That's hair with the TYME wand. I have to say I love it because I spend so much money on it, but I really don't like it. But I keep it. I have stuff everywhere. Like I said, this will probably, I think you've probably seen a video now that says I keep like stuff in every one of my suitcases. This will probably go in a suitcases. It's enough to do the trick when I'm on the road. And yeah, so I'm just getting this stuff off my hands because it's really sticky. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I know. There'll be a video of this look as well. It is from the Barbie collaboration with ColourPop. So be on the lookout for that. Okay, gals, love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Mwah.